The lake itself, Whakatipu Wai Māori, is one of a clutch of 3 names of these Whakatipu names. And they're pretty special because they're obviously very old, and we haven't really got a clue what they mean. We've wrestled with this for years. There's all sorts of theories about it. But we have, this lake is the Whakatipu Wai Māori, which is freshwater Whakatipu. And the Whakatipu Waitae, Lake Makero, is saltwater Whakatipu. And of course the Hollyford is Te Awa Whakatipu. Now, but it's generally cold water, but it does warm up in the Otago summer, and I presume that when this amazing tupuna of ours, Haki Takura, when she swam the lake, she was to, I'm willing to bet that she did it in summer. But this was almost certainly a summer story because the region is really not, habitable in winter in terms of a Māori life. It just wasn't. But the lake is ease of transport. To go by waka, by canoe, is much, much easier over a distance carrying a load than walking, right? And you can move around a big area from here right up to the head, around up at the top, and of course you've then got what is today the Hoponama, the Greenstone Valley, and routes like that are routes through to the Hollyford, routes through to Te Anau. There are routes through to that went to Milford in those days, but out to the sea at Whakatipu Waitae. And these are also areas of good food gathering in season. The hungry place when it's not in season, and you could for travelling for pounamu, for stone and the treasures that they were gathering, and the taramea. The passes and the routes were great. The lake was significant because that's how you could move across a big distance quickly and easily and carry loads.